This 1971 Mach 1 Mustang needed a little help getting back in shape. After a short blast, this ride was down to clean bare metal and ready for a new coat of paint. Next is this huge metal deck structure that was covered in mill skill and rust. The builders not only needed to get the surface prepared for paint, but they also needed to inspect their welds for structural integrity. With the help of the Dustless blasting system, this behemoth of a deck was stripped down in no time. And lastly, one lucky contractor was awarded the opportunity to etch a 27-foot wide Raiders logo onto the grounds of the Allegiant Stadium. With the help of blasting stencil, some paint, and dustless blasting, this logo is ready for game day. These are just a few of the things being blasted all around the country with dustless blasting.